As you look off to the west, here's that next batch of rain, and behind it comes the really windy conditions. You're going to really hear that wind howling late tonight, early tomorrow morning, and most of tomorrow as well. Additional rainfall, this is why I say maybe a quarter of an inch. If you get in one isolated area, which might even have a rumble of thunder with it, we could see an isolated half inch of rain out of it. But I think most of us will probably pick up about a quarter of an inch. But that line out to the west, this is the one that's going to be coming across the state. This is at 8 o'clock tonight, and I would say into Boston by about 9, 10 o'clock tonight. So we'll get some downpours, maybe even a rumble of thunder. And then behind it, the drier air comes flowing in. And when it does, it's going to have quite a bit of wind with it. You also notice that the temperatures were warming up until that front comes through, and then they cool down rapidly once it goes by. So the warmest temperatures of the day are actually going to happen between now and about 10 o'clock tonight. And then after that, they'll cool off pretty quickly. So the wind gusts have not been bad, but they have been out of the south, blowing across that cold ocean water. That's why we're seeing the thickest fog here. But most areas, because of the high moisture content, we're seeing a bit of fog just about everywhere. So when does that wind really start to go? I would say after 10 o'clock tonight, we're going to really start to see these gusts building, especially out to the west, and then working their way across the state. So tomorrow morning, when you wake up, that wind, 45, 50 mile an hour wind gusts, not sustained, but gusts at that point. They'll stay strong really through the afternoon, maybe backing off a little bit as we head towards sunset tomorrow night. That's why you're seeing the high wind warning out to the west. You're seeing a wind advisory, which is the downgrade from it, but not by much, along the east coast. And these go into effect later on tonight. This one goes into effect at 10 o'clock. This one goes into effect at 11 o'clock. And they basically go all the way through tomorrow. That's the view over the city right now. It's fairly foggy out there. It's 49 degrees. There's the wind off of the ocean. The visibility, 1 mile. But in some places along the Cape and the islands, it's even less than that. So it's relatively cool here, but you can even see it showing up now. Right along the Mass Pike, we're starting to see the warm air surging up. So even though you're in the mid-40s right now, it's going to be warming up into the 50s as we head for the evening. And then behind it, the cooler, drier air will come in later on tonight. That's why I say our warmest temperature may actually be over the next few hours. And you'll see the temperature over the next few days. It's going to ramp back up again. This is a really fast-moving weather pattern that we're in, so there's a lot of ups and downs to it. Tomorrow is kind of the down day. Windy, colder. I've made it a nuisance weather day. Tuesday, we start cold but rebound decently, and there's not much wind, so Tuesday's looking like a very nice day. Then you see what happens on Wednesday. Some rain moves in here in the afternoon. It will likely carry into Thursday, and that is the home opener, so there may be some impact that way. Then, after that little bit of a warm-up, we cool it back down. Friday and Saturday, we're back down into the 40s once again, but by the time we get to Easter Sunday, it's warming back up. We're back up into the 60s. March is notorious for that, and now it looks like April is going to do just about the same thing with a lot of those ups and downs in the forecast. That is my latest forecast for right now. I'm meteorologist Mike Wacom.